guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Telegram without sharing your phone number. So if you've heard you can create a Telegram account without any phone number at all, then here's what you should know. The truth is, Telegram requires a phone number to create an account, and there isn't an official way to sign up without one. However, once your account has been created, you don't have to share your phone number with everyone. For that, you need to go to Telegram, then tap on Telegram settings and tap on privacy settings, then select phone number, and here you can choose nobody under who can see my phone number. You can also control who can find you using your phone number by adjusting the who can find me by number setting. With these privacy settings enabled, people can communicate with you using your username instead of seeing your phone number. So while you can't create a Telegram account without a phone number, you can keep your number private after signing up. So that was it for this video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.